Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with an unboxing from the Stamps of Life. And I've shared many times I was blessed to be a part of all of her good stuff before, and I think when things were going on with my parents, it just got to be too much, so I had to cut things back, and this was one of the things I cut back. And I just recently came back, and every time they send me things, the monthly kit or whatever, I am ending up with tons of extra freebies. So, really amazed, really blessed, and very thankful. So, thank you, Stephanie. And goodness, I've met her husband. Is it Ken? Anyways, thank y'all. I really appreciate all you do. I know you guys are Christian. I appreciate that as well. And I appreciate your longtime work in the crafting world. And of course, um, Stephanie, I think, started off in like either QVC or HSN, and I think crafting became her forte and all of that. So, anyways, and so she developed her own business, and I just love that. So, okay, friends, I'm gonna put this to the side so I can pull everything out to show you. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to bump the table. I am still trying to get used to all of this. I'm gonna wipe that down because I'm gonna be honest, our postal office is not pretty. So, hold on one sec. Excuse me. We are in cedar fever, and I think it's hit. And I have not. At the very beginning, I started taking my cedar fever drops, and then I quit, and so I got to get started again. But our local. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is perfect timing. Okay. Anyways, so I have a lot to at our post office. We have big cattle and cotton in this area, and so every time you get something from the post office, I literally got something from Amazon that went through the post office. It was completely damaged, and it wasn't the post office, it was the Amazon people, which I've got to take care of that today. And but our post office, everything comes dirty there. You literally get packages with people's, I hate to say it, the shoe prints on it. I know. And I know the postal people right now are really stressed out, so I don't want to add to that stress, but you're always thankful that when they step on it, that hopefully it's not something breakable. So anyways, all right, so here is the color palette. I do not remember the names of her color of paper, but a gorgeous purple, a beautiful kind of light mint, almost not quite peacock, but very pretty, a light green, a more, I don't know, celery green, gorgeous pink, which, I love pinks and greens, and I love the colors of the sea. And I'm getting ready to do a big album for my parents in purple this year. It's on the list this year. It's never been on the list. It's been talked about, but never been put on the list. So this year it's going to be on the list. Okay, let me scooch that out of the way so we can keep going. Oh, I love those pinks. And then, ooh, even a red. Oh my goodness, she gave us a lot. Look at all the colors. So that's the color palette. And then you get 1, 2, 3 beautiful white cardstock. And there you go. So I'm just going to leave it out like that so I can go on top. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is, this is so cute. Clearly this is for Valentine's, and I think it's charming. So we'll just kind of quickly go through here. Oh, so cute. Oh, I love that. That was on the light blue, but I like it better on that bright blue. Pretty. These are perfect for like card making because the font is small. It's a 6x6 paper pad, and just way much fun. You can also make tags with this if you're a junk journaler. There's tons of things to do. I love that. A little love bug. And I love the letters. I'm doing it this way. I'm hoping you can see both. But and that's pretty with the purple. I may take that out and put that with my parents' stuff. And with love would be perfect for them. I love the pink. I love that she did almost every color in that. That is gorgeous. The colors of that are so pretty. It's almost like if you use an alcohol ink. So I love that, pretty, pretty, pretty. I love that. Same thing here. It looks like alcohol ink. So pretty. And I love that. They're giving you, things you can cut out and use. I love that. What am I trying to say? Ephemera that you cut out. There we go. I love this. And I think we are repeating. So you get 2 of every page. I'll go a little bit quicker here. And paper quality is fantastic. It has a really amazing finish on it. They've done a good job. I don't remember the paper impressed me that much before. I mean, it was nice paper, but I think they've stepped up their game a little bit. We also look at those. Aren't those cute? So when I think of Stamps of Life, I think of more cute. I don't think of it as shabby chic. I think of it as something that's very cute. And so these are perfect for those cards you need to make for your nieces, your nephews, for your sister because she's cute. You know what I mean, your girlfriend because she's funny and things like that. I think of this as cute and fun. And so, but I still love all the shabby chic and all that. So this one says happy birthday. Bless you, honey. Um, my daughter's in there chopping up our veggies. So I'm making a big lunch today so we can have a small dinner tonight. So happy birthday. And then you have the outlining die. And I don't know if you can see, but this birthday has like a twirly on it. And the A is my kind of A. And I love that. That's really cute. I mean, how many happy birthday dies can you have? Clearly not enough. Clearly not enough. And this one is with love. I love that one. I do not have a with love. How fun is that? Okay. Ooh, and then the arrow. And of course, all of these have the exterior die as well. So super nice. Oh, here's another one. Thanks for being a club member. Enjoy your free gift. Look at that tag. Oh my goodness gracious. Won't that be fantastic in junk journals and everything? So, oh, there's another one. See, I'm telling you, there's lots of extra goodies. Free gift. Thanks for being in the kit club. So, oh, I love that. And I was looking at some die cut frames the other day. So that is fun. I don't know about you, but the arrows are fantastic, especially in journaling. And I love the fanciness of that one. And that one is just kind of wumpy, and I love that. It may be perfectly even, but to me it looks a little wumpy, which I kind of like. And then here's a square and a rectangle. I mean, for goodness sakes, this is a lot of extra. So, okay, let's look at the stamp. I think that's it for dies. I would hope, right? Oh, the stamp is so sweet, and it has Proverbs. A happy heart makes the face cheerful. Proverbs 15:13. I love that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Stephanie. If you guys are watching this, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hugs, hello, hugs, love you, kisses, thanks, and then with all my heart. So, and then of course the gorgeous little stitched heart, which if you're a sewer or a handwork girl, you know and I know you love that. So, ooh, look at those little, what are these, what do they call these? Why do you blank out when you're on video? But it's like a half back pearl, but it's a half back dot. And so, but it has a glimmer in it. Kind of goes with the nails there, but it's really pretty. And it's got the mint and the pink and the purple. And you know I'm going to use that purple for my parents. So super fun. Now this is what caught my eye when I opened it. Won't that be beautiful for my parents? And if you don't know, my parents went to TCU, Texas Christian University, which is purple and white. Perfect. And horn frogs. So I always gave my dad frogs and, for gifts and stuff. It was kind of an ongoing thing. And when he passed away, there were so many frogs that we divvied them up amongst the houses. There were so many. So anyways. So also, this is for card making. So you get, for the white cardstock or any card you make, you get, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 12 envelopes, which is amazing. I would have said 8 or 10. You also get 2 gorgeous ribbons. So, that'll be used for my parents. And I already have some of their ribbon that's purple that's already over here waiting to use in the project for my parents. But I love that. That almost looks sheer. Ah, it is. And I tried to get sheer ribbon the other day. Whoops, I'm dropping stuff. From Walmart, and they didn't have it. And I was just like, what? I drove 4 towns over. So anyways, it's in the queue, and then you go to get it. And literally almost every ribbon they didn't have. And they didn't have the flat lace that I drove 4 towns over to get because of that. I was just like, really? I drove a long way. So look at this. Isn't that cute? So here's a card kit idea card. And I love that she puts these in it. So she's got everything, or just 3 different examples. And she gives you all the information and the colors and all that good stuff. So the kit contains cranberry guava, candy grape, ocean blue jay, mint, and green apple are the colors of the paper. Next time I will pull that out first. It's been a while. You also get additional, and I don't know if it's because this is the card kit and I do card kit and dies. I don't know, I do twice a month with these guys. So, because I really enjoy them, and they have really, really supported the craft industry in a way that is very different. We live in a small town, and there used to be a Creating Keepsakes conference in between Austin and San Antonio in a town called San Marcos, Texas. And they always came. And it was packed. It was always packed, and just tons of people, and tons of booths, and tons of classes and free demos and all that kind of stuff. And we would go all the days, and you'd leave and you could barely walk, and you're just so excited. But she would, Stephanie would make videos, put them on YouTube, and say, "This is my favorite one to go to of all the year," was in San Marcos. And they kept the one in Houston, which I don't want to go to Houston. I mean, I don't. I want to go to a small town where the housing is inexpensive. You can get in and out of the conference center so easy. The parking is not monumental. There's tons of parking, totally enough. You can stay in the hotel that is attached to the conference if you wanted to. Just all kinds of things, and to the conference center. And and they have full restaurants. They had a Starbucks, and Starbucks like off-site booth. And anyways, they canceled it in San Marcos, Texas. And it was like, why? Well, these guys came every year. These guys were so approachable. I always took my classes with Stephanie. Perfect in the classroom. Excellent, excellent, excellent kit. On and on and on. These guys were top notch. But why would you get rid of San Marcos, Texas? Because I guess it didn't make as much money for Creating Keepsakes. I don't know. But for us, between San Antonio and Austin was the perfect location. It was such a destination place. All my friends that came from Austin or San Antonio, and I met lots of friends, and we'd meet up every year at that conference. I met them at the conference, and they would stay in San Marcos. And I didn't, because we live, 20 minutes from it. So I come home because we're cheap. But, and I had finally come on the last conference to the determination that I am going to stay the night with my girlfriends, and we're going to have fun. They quit taking the conference in San Marcos. So, but I thank these guys for being so faithful to come to promote the conference, to be so good to us locals. We so appreciated the Stamps of Life. And their booth was always packed. There was always a line to get in there. They always had great opportunities. And I just can't say it enough. You could go meet with Stephanie, and then Ken would help process your order. You would go through, pick everything up as you walk through the booth, and then he would check you out. And they were the most kind people. I mean, seriously. And I just appreciated them. They are really good people, and they were fantastic in that particular conference. So, Creating Keepsakes, if you still do those conferences, or somebody else who does conferences that these guys go to, come to San Marcos, Texas. It is a gold mine. When we finally get back opened up, maybe not this summer, but the next, I would genuinely plan a crafting conference in San Marcos, Texas. You're right on I-35 that goes straight between San Antonio and Austin. It's right smack dab in the middle. And I'm going to tell you right now, you will draw so many people. And there's plenty of vendors to support that venue. I'm not kidding. It was never short of vendors. There was never an empty spot. It was amazing. So anyway, just my 2 cents, just saying. So anyways, these are great. And I had thought about using one in my junk journal kit, and I put it in the bag last night, and I'm going to take it back out. Cause now that I thought it was just a one-time thing. If this is an ongoing thing, this is like a card maker's magazine. Why wouldn't I want to keep that? So, and then last but not least, so I'm going to set that there. So look at all you get. Okay. And last but not least, I absolutely adore, she has always given us these little envelopes for these kits. And these are the best quality. They are not super flat. Look how it kind of bows open, so there's plenty of room. It's not so tight. The camera can't get on it. Sorry, it's not focusing. It's not so tight that you can't get things in it. So I absolutely love these. I'm now having a new size box that I'm keeping, but I'm going to reuse them for my kids. Why not? So, okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will put a link below. I will reach out to them before I post this video and see if there's any kind of an affiliate thing I can, discount I can get you guys. Um, I'm a huge DEK girl. This is a different kind of kit. This is very, very card making oriented kit. And so with dies and stamps. And so DEK is a planning plus paper crafting kits. So they're two different kinds of kits, and that's why I really thought about it. I thought they can interchange some of the pieces, and yet they're very different. And I don't do cutesy much anymore. And there's nothing wrong with cutesy. I think it's fun and I think it's happy. And right now we need happy. We need happy. So I hope this encourages you today because that's what we're all about. And anyways, come on back, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Leave a comment. What is your favorite color paper? Isn't that paper gorgeous? And again, the paper colors are cranberry, guava, candy, grape, ocean, blue jay, mint chip, and green apple. So hopefully you can see that. You can stop, pause, and look at the colors. Or if you don't want to tell me what color your favorite paper is, what is your favorite piece in the kit? I will tell you, this is really odd, and I'm not one of these kind of epoxy dot girls. I think that's what they're called, epoxy dots. But I really love this one. It's very glittery and glimmery, and it matches my glimmery red aspen nails. And I know it's pathetic, but I this is just that time of year where I just want something pretty and glimmery. And I love pastels, so it always works for me. Okay, friends, love you guys. Be safe. I'll be talking to y'all soon. And most importantly, thanks for stopping by. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I pray that you are safe, that your family is safe, that your jobs are safe, that your finances are in good place. Right now, it's such a difficult time. So come back. I'll have more videos today and this week and moving forward. We're going to have daily videos again, Monday through Sunday. I know. And, or Sunday to Saturday, however you keep your week. And I'm super excited to be here with y'all. I've it's great when you get rid of some of your work and you can play more. So I get to be with y'all and play. I'm super excited. So, all right, friends. If you're not subscribed, subscribe so you can come and be with us and be encouraged. Okay, friends. Love you guys. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.